Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for your online queries. In this video, I will be showing how you can fix any camera issues on Facebook Messenger. First thing you can do is, open your mobile settings. Then search for App Permission. Tap on App Permissions from the result and then tap Messenger from the list of apps. Go to Permissions. Toggle the camera and microphone on if it's not turned on. Now open Messenger app and check if it has resolved the camera issue. If not, there is another step that you can follow. Open Play Store and search for Messenger. Tap on Update to get the newest version of the Messenger app. Sometimes, the corrupt files and minor issues can be solved by updating your app. Relaunch the Facebook Messenger app, check the camera and video. It should definitely work now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.